Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to another video on my automotive channel. Today I'm going to give you an update on the entire car situation because I've gone from having 4 cars down to just 2. Technically 3, but only 2 are roadworthy. So basically I'm just going to talk about in this video some of the things that's coming to the channel and everything. Give you an update on lovely Hugo. In the last video you would have saw his lovely new interior. And the other car being the Renault Megane. So it's been a very busy couple of weeks. I've now actually sold my Porsche Boxster S. That one has gone to a new owner and I hope he enjoys it. But now I'm setting my sights on, well, getting Hugo's sister finished. So the money from the Porsche will obviously go into Hugo's sister. It's currently having the welding done. Once that's done, we'll get it back here. Well, I don't think it's coming straight back here because there's a few things we gotta plan out. Some of the modifications, which does involve some welding. So we'll do that next after the main chassis is completely welded. The shell, so there's no holes. So we got lovely space in the carport, as you can see. Hugo is usually here. And then we have the Porsche. We have the Porsche here, or the Z3 there. In today's video, I will be taking you to see Hugo's sister. I don't know what stage we're at now. Last time I saw it, it did have bracing done, ready to take the floors out, so the car doesn't implode, basically. So we will be taking a look at that in a minute. But for now, we're gonna take a quick look at Hugo. Not much has really happened. The front suspension has been finished. So basically his front suspension had been playing up since I had him, and eventually it did give up. So that's why there's not been many videos on Hugo. But yeah, the suspension is now done. The old one is just over there. So Hugo has a new front suspension. I'm loving the number plate. We got some stuff going on with Hugo, something very different. I'm looking forward to sharing with you guys when we get to a certain level of completion. But there you go. There's Hugo. Not really much to do. I do have to, if I open his engine bay, 1 second, I've got to do this one-handed. There we go. There's a cover that goes over here. The original one was broke. I got a new one to go on now. So we'll get that one fitted today probably. I'll just leave that open. I can do that in a minute. I did say in the update to his interior that there's a piece actually gonna go in there to cover that black to match the interior, and it has Fiat on, which should be very nice. Apart from that, that's pretty much it. I did replace all these nuts on here, basically just to tidy it up because they were really rusted, really pitted, the originals. And same goes for the bumper ones here. This was like a 10-minute job and it was so worth doing. We move on to the Renault. So I bought this Megane a couple of months ago now. I've had no issues with it apart from the airbox eating itself. Funny story, I was driving along, started making some funny noises, tapping. I thought, oh no, engine problem. And the airbox had basically, the hose had perished, gone down and wrapped itself around the left hand wheel. Which was an interesting one, I've never seen that before. I don't think I can even explain it that well to you. But basically there's no airbox on it at the moment. It's making some nice sounds, but I want to get it sorted. I did actually have this one. I bought this a while back. This was actually bought for the Volvo and I never ended up fitting it. But I looked at fitting that, but it's completely different. You'd have to remodify the air intake and everything. It's not worth doing. So I need to get an airbox fitted back on that one. Another thing that I want to do is just clean up the interior. I want to put some floor mats in here just to tidy it up really. And a common problem with these Renault Meganes was the button on the boot kept coming loose, and then eventually it was loose and I lost it, so I got a replacement coming for that. Again, common problem with these. Mine is the Fiji. I don't know if that's a Fiji edition, but it's 5-door. It's a lovely car, it really is. There's a few age-related marks, but this, I bought this with only 48,000 miles on. 47, sorry. I've already put about 800 on it now, but it was 47,000 miles, which is crazy. Here he is. Here she is, I should say. New floor there. Braced up. All braced. Hello, Meg. Hello. These frames have been built so to roll the car around. Engine's out. Ignore the music in the background. I'm hoping that doesn't cancel me out because of copyright laws, music. New floor. This is the original mounting point, just welded on. And it's on a frame, so... Oh, Meg, going out. There we go. There's the new floor. That's one of the new floors. This has been done here. If you guys remember the award there, that's all been done. So that side will be done next. But yeah, there you go. Just a quick look.
Then the front will be welded on.
And yeah, the front's going to be done as well. That'll be last. I got to say to him about the front.
Yeah.
I'm leaving this for now, but they got to come out because we're not going to have back seats. Same with the bits on the back there, but we can do that. That's not a problem.
No, pop them off.
Yeah, we'll cut them off. Look. The rails, we're not sure about the rails yet. We've got to have a think about that. But obviously, we've got bucket seats, so you know. But yeah, there we go. This bracing's to stop the car imploding.
Wobbly.
It's a bit wobbly, yeah. Just let go of it, Meg. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Back for running.
Oh, no, it's fine. Leave it. He's alright. But yeah, there we go. That is an update. I'm gonna go back this side. He's probably outside looking at Hugo right now. Oh, parts there. He's gonna have a look at the bonnet as well, if that can be salvaged. But I'm not sure about the bonnet yet. So yeah, the front end will be taken off probably last. You get that off last, won't he? Because obviously it's on the frame. But yeah, he built this frame to flip the car over. So instead of like this MGB here, and he's had to, you know, weld like this and all that, he's got it on a frame so he can just flip it over, work on it like that. But yeah, there we go. That is Hugo's sister, and it's looking great. So there you have it. That is an update on all my vehicles. Like I said, Porsche's gone, BMW's gone. I'm thinking about selling the Renault to get a Fiat Panda, but not straight away. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. There's plenty more coming. I hope you like the update on Hugo's sister. We will be doing more videos on it soon, but let's get the welding done. Once the welding's done, I can start digging into some of the crazy modifications that I'm planning for this car. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you very soon, and bye for now.